You check out our forecast, everybody. Mid-morning Saturday, that's where we're at now. And check out this box looking around West Michigan. We've got blue skies and sunshine that are going to be in control right on through the afternoon. And as I've been saying for a few days, we've got near perfect temperatures expected, with highs making it to around 78 degrees. I mean, if you were picking a number to get to, it may very well be 78. That's what we're looking at here on Saturday. Grand Rapids, the Tower Cam, just after the 9 o'clock hour. We've got temperatures that are already approaching 70 degrees and into the 70s down to the south, Three Rivers and Coldwater. Folks, with a northwest wind that will be picking up through the remaining morning hours and into this afternoon. The immediate lakeshore, I don't think gets much higher than about the low 70s today, so you will be held down just a bit versus the rest of us. And the dew points, as we've noticed through these morning hours, dew points, of course, representing the amount of moisture in the air. When they get to 60 and above, you start to feel some humidity, more so at 65 and an oppressive 70 plus. But we're not there today. We're actually dropping back down through the 50s as some drier air coming in from Canada is rolling in, and that's some good news, because with these nice perfect highs that I'm talking about, coupled with minimal moisture in the air, I think you're going to be liking it. Northwest winds about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Sunny skies rolling right on through. Just a couple clouds popping up, I think, this afternoon. Near perfect weekend weather. Heat ramps up Monday and Tuesday, and pretty significantly going to 88 on Monday. Folks, 90 to 92, I think, on Tuesday. And then some wind, rain, and perhaps some storms with the remnants of Tropical Storm Cristobal. Here it is, sitting in the south central Gulf of Mexico. Starting to pick up, though, some forward momentum off to the north. Was sitting stationary over Mexico for a couple days there, if you are paying attention. But now beginning to head northward and increasing in intensity marginally. Will come ashore likely about 60, 65 mile per hour sustained storm with some higher gusts, of course, but moving pretty quickly, so nobody getting flooding rains out of this. Can bring us, though, some stronger winds later Tuesday into Wednesday, folks. We've got to keep our eyes on that. Let's watch the upper level pattern evolve. The colors showing you the temperatures on the map and where it's getting into the yellows and oranges and reds especially. That's where the hottest temps will be. For today and tomorrow, we're on the western extent of a trough that will be shifting off to the east. So that's why we're cooler today and tomorrow versus where we've been throughout this past work week, which was in the mid 80s on a few occasions. Upper 70s for Saturday and Sunday. But look at these orange colors start to come in on Monday. And that's going to translate to a big warm up on Monday. I think upper 80s already with not a cloud in the sky. I mean, we're talking about just unbelievably blue skies on Monday. Tuesday we'll make it into the low 90s because we'll have such a high starting point and the atmosphere will be quite warm. But then once that system passes by Wednesday into Thursday, the remnants of Cristobal, we do get some Canadian cooler air for a stretch there heading into next weekend. So we've got something for everybody in this 7-day. We've got warm temps, we've got hot temps, humidity by Tuesday, and then a dry air and looking pretty cool actually for the season by next weekend.